Alright, welcome back to the video series of modeling an N95 style respirator. This is SketchUp for Engineers by Firestarter Graphics and Engineering. Today we're going to kind of look at one of the last videos of what you can do. It's going to be a quick video, thank goodness, of one of the options. So last time we just took, if you remember correctly, wow, my mouse is having issues. We took this section right here, lifted up, scaled it, and then lofted between them. Well, this time what I've done on this particular one, you'll see this kind of pattern that's going on. And all I did was I used the arc tool to connect from this portion down to here. And I used guides. So let's hurry and make a copy of this so that we can kind of mess with things, unless I already have one. It's nice to look at your outliner and see if you have... Nope, we don't. Okay. So let's go ahead and work on this copy. So I'm just going to delete... that's not what I wanted. So each little lofting feature needs to be exploded. And let's see if we can just delete the faces. It's perfect. Okay, there's the shell that I wanted to show you. So what I did was I made guides on this base portion, obviously to make it symmetrical about the center. And then I just kind of randomly picked, I like right about here where this contour begins, not necessarily the contour, but this convex right here. And so I found that if I started at the center point right here and then just drew 45 degrees off of that, it landed here and then here. So, and if you're not exactly on the line right here, the symmetry ends up messing up. So I just made sure just to do it twice anyway. I didn't mirror it. I spent the extra time drawing each one in. And all this is the arc tool. So A for arc, 48 sides is always what I use, sometimes even more. And I clicked there, and then obviously here, and all I did was until I found a curve that I liked, and it wasn't magenta, that just means it's tangent to it. And then I just drew those curves in. Now all you have to do is select, now they won't break for you, they're all broken because I already did the loft feature, but what you'll do is grab each section. Let's see if I can, if I hit delete, I'm just curious. Well, now ain't that interesting. Let's see what's going on in this one. Huh. It's kind of cool. I guess the loft feature must have left a copy. That's alright. So, if you grab the skin contour, I'm just going to go ahead, grab that section, grab that section, grab that section, that section, that one, click the check mark, and look at that. It has been skinned. So, go ahead and exit. Not bad, except this side. Let's go inside. We need to right click, orient faces, so now they're both reversed. Now, reverse faces. And there you go. So it's as easy as that. We're going to grab the skinning tool again, and we're going to grab this line, this line, this line, that one. We could probably even grab more. Why not, right? Check mark. There you go. And that's all you do. And then when it's completely finished, you will thicken the mask just like you did in the previous video, and then draw the contours just like you did the other video with the sketch plane and then cutting it out. So when you're done, this is what it would look like once you've thickened it. I haven't cut the face pattern out yet because, let's see, I don't think this is a solid. Yeah, it's not. So if we look here in Solid Inspector, we could go in and find surface border. I'm going to hit tab so it zooms to it, and apparently it's somewhere either inside, yeah, right there. So And then internal face edges will have to do the same thing. So if we try to erase that, see what happens. It gets all messy. But apparently it's just, I don't know, it's hard to tell where it's at, but there's some missing geometry or some extra geometry. But now I'm really curious. So it's right here. Surface border. So there's an extra line hiding on there. Oh, I just froze it. Anyway, so you can go ahead and, okay, it's unfrozen now. Wow, my laptop is going really slow. I'm not even going to worry about it. But you can go ahead and make it a solid, or you can do it the exact same way that I showed you if your model is not a solid, using the intersect faces with selection. So that's today's video. Very short and sweet, right to the point, and shows another feature of Curvy Loft and how to make a mask that has this kind of shape to it that fits the contours of your face better. Now, the only issue is that I ran into is this radius is a little too large, because that's going to pinch someone's nose. So, but I didn't build this to a specification. I just, made it just to show for practice. Anyway, so there you go. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.